Oh my! It's a Star Trek model bonanza! Let's go ahead and do a kit review, shall we? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Alrighty then, look what we have here. Star Trek Original Series. Build together. I wonder if fathers and son build model kits together anymore these days. Well, I saw this online and I had to have one. Especially when I got it for the price that I got it for. Now these kits sell for up to easily $50 and more. I will make sure to show pictures online in this video showing the prices. I picked up 4 of these kits through a friend of mine. Then I picked up a few more. Thank you, my good friend Scott Einoff. Now, I just happen to be working on something to go along with these kits, as in a brass etch interior shuttle bay for starters, and some decals, details, and other extras. At any rate, let's go ahead and open this kit up and have a look at it, shall we? All right, when you first open the box, what you see is what you get. But I have already opened one of these and went through it, so I'm going to go ahead and run through quickly the pros and cons of the kit. This is the same old AMT kit from years and years and years ago with a few modifications. Very few modifications, but a few modifications nonetheless. As you can see here, you've got a smooth hull. Now they've been doing this differently off and on over the years, but right now it is a smooth hull, but it still has all of the incorrect bridge BC deck, etc., etc., incorrect markings, and so on. Now, along with that, you get the 1-1000 kit, which is pretty much essentially the same 1-1000 kit, but they no longer include the vinyl stickers, at least not in this kit. Same collection of parts, same. The only difference is your 2 green lenses for the upper and lower primary hull, the bridge dome, and the lower sensor dome are in green in the same package as the clear parts for the 1-1000 kit. Now, as far as the decals and instructions, I'm going to go over that briefly. As you can see, you've got 1 page of 1-1000 decals. So you don't have any options here. You get 1 set of decals and that's it. There's no Mirror Universe decals, no plastic or vinyl plastic decal stickers, and that's pretty much the same thing with the 650 kit. Difference is it shows on the box all white windows, but all white windows do not come with the kit for the engineering hull and the lower primary hull, etc. So what you see is what you get. So you get 2 base kits with 2 base sets of instructions. Literally single page instructions. Still, considering what kits cost today, to get 2 models in one for $14.99 is not a bad deal at all. And I'm going to be doing quite a lot with these kits that I purchased, including making brass parts, decals, backlight panels, etc., etc. Anyway, there is the kit in and of itself and my quickie review. There's only one additional thing I have to say. You've got some really thick sprue on here. So I would use diagonal cutters or side cutters and a file and be very careful, because it's very easy to have these parts gouge out on you. There you go. The 2-in-1 build together kit. For only $14.99. And yes, I may sell and or give a couple of these away. It's true, it's true. I might give a couple of builds away too.